Oh crap. So guys, bro, pause that. Pause that. So why is YouTube going crazy now? Why is YouTube going crazy right now? Stop. No, stop. Why is YouTube going crazy right now? What could he have done? All the police cars chasing him. Look at that. Look at that. That's like 50. And bro couldn't even drive. Where is he? And bro, why do you have the music like this? I'm pressing on his YouTube channel. I'm pressing on his YouTube channel. Wait. Subscribe.
Listen to the Bruno song. Listen to
Stop.
the Bruno song.
What the? Did you guys see that? Look at. Do you have a crush on me? What the? First question, he said.
A1.
That's what he said.
A1.
Wait. First question, he said. No, I don't, okay? What's the word do you think you use? Something.
I'm playing a game.
And bro. This is the video that I was just watching.
My life be like
2,000 years later.
my life be like.
One of my favorite things about Drift.
That's an ad. Alright, so see you guys. I was just showing you guys the video. Look at this one. Alright, so see you guys. Bye. Peace out. You have a great day. Bless you. And make sure to stay safe. Peace out. God bless you.